Changing your payout method on PeoplePerHour is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you update your payment preferences successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your PeoplePerHour account by entering your credentials on the website. Make sure you are logged in to proceed with the changes. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option. This is usually found in your profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payout Methods or Payment Settings. Click on this option to view your current payout methods and available alternatives. Step 4. Add or edit payment method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payment preferences. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. Make sure to check back to confirm that the changes have been applied successfully.